What does Facebook or Meta, Roblox, as well as crypto have in common? Well, at least for the moment, they're all trying to make us buy into the concept of Metaverse as a thing and that they are the Metaverse that you should be looking for. Although the Metaverse as a concept has existed for a very long time, but now there seems to be a lot of push from Facebook, Roblox, and a lot of other gaming companies talking about why they are the next Metaverse. In this video, we'll talk about why Roblox has an advantage of being the Metaverse over Facebook. Let's get into the video. For people who don't know what Roblox is, this is a quick 30-second version. Roblox is an experience-oriented online game which is really popular among kids, and it has games that you can engage with other people all around the world, like online gaming. It also has concerts and events and activities that you can do. You can even have kids' birthday parties hosted. If you're still wondering, but why am I interested in this? This company has an active user base of 220 active monthly users. That's a little less than the population of Brazil as well as Nigeria. And they also got publicly evaluated at $41 billion when they got listed on the stock exchange market. Yes, this is a mega company and they want to be the next Metaverse along with Facebook Meta. So they are the ones who are running the race. Now, you may be wondering, that's great, but what's the Roblox Metaverse? Roblox Metaverse is, well, it's not really a true metaverse, let's just call it out what it is. A few months ago, the Roblox team started calling their egg hunt Metaverse Champions, and that's when the confusion started. Now imagine kids are 9 to 15 or maybe even older and their parents keep listening to the word Metaverse Champions, and it really dilutes the meaning of true Metaverse. But hey, people start associating Roblox with Metaverse, and that's when the confusion starts basically. But let's just talk about a few things which make it the Metaverse. Now, we obviously spoke about the immersive experience that Roblox can provide. You can have birthday parties, online games, concerts, and have the whole experience from one single platform. They even have their own currency, Roblox, which you can be using to sell online as well as buy online things within Roblox platform, of course. But you can also convert your actual money like dollars, pounds, euros, or whatever currency you use into Roblox currency and use that within the platform. You can even transform that back into a physical currency. Now, those two things by itself are not enough to make it Metaverse. But before we go into why it is not the Metaverse or not even the alpha, beta, gamma version of the Metaverse, let's talk about why Roblox has an advantage over Facebook to become the Metaverse if they were to go into that path. Now, I did say Roblox has an active user base of 200 million users a monthly, and granted Facebook has a lot more. Facebook has about 2.89 billion users who come in every month trying to go into the platform and use it to gossip or do whatever they want. But the reality is they are on a decline in usage by teenagers. Yes, there's actually been reports that they are seeing a decline of teenagers, probably because they think their grandparents and uncles and aunties are on Facebook. Why would we hang out there? Plus the fact that when you think about Facebook, you're not really thinking of, I'm going to go in there for an immersive experience. You're going there for checking out on your friends, family, probably the co-worker you hate, or something else that you may be finding that is very gossip-like, or connecting with people, as Facebook would call it. You're not going there for the Metaverse. Secondly, now because Roblox already has an engaged audience which already comes in to have an immersive experience, although it's only from a website, so it may not be like an Oculus that Facebook would be coming in. Although the version that Facebook came out with their first Meta, probably not the best version. You don't want to go online into a Facebook world and, well, let's just say watch a presentation. It's pretty weird, isn't it? I don't think I'll go for that. Roblox obviously have a great advantage considering it already has a lot of users who are actively coming in to have this immersive experience of maybe riding a dragon every day, or whatever the game they may be playing, or the scout that they would be performing, or anything that they be doing on Roblox platform for that immersive experience. They are already coming in for that sole purpose. They're not coming in to snoop into their friends. Now, another thing, Facebook did come out with something called Horizon, but it looks very, how do I put this? You would not go online, put on your Oculus, and once you watch a PowerPoint presentation by an animated version of Ashish, which I could do the animation, but can't get that done right now. But that's not great experience. But if it's really amazing experience, if you come into Roblox with me and we ride a dragon together, play all these games and attend, I don't know, Lil Wayne's concert in Roblox, that would be pretty awesome, right? That's where Roblox has an advantage. But as I mentioned, even though it has advantage over Facebook, it is still not the Metaverse. But I'll give you two reasons why. One, Roblox is only available through a web portal or website, but the concept of Metaverse believes that you should be able to transition smoothly between any device, whether it's through a website, through an Oculus or any other hardware console, AR, VR, you should be having an immersive experience across all platforms. That's number one, which is still not possible when Roblox, Facebook, or whoever is claiming that they have Metaverse. Second one being, yes, there is currency, I get that, but it should not be owned by a corporation. Now, a fellow YouTuber did a great job of explaining it's like the internet is being rolled by Disney, which is pretty amazing, but it would not happen because you want some kind of decentralization, so there are no corporates who are controlling access to the environment, what you can do in the environment, and also probably snooping into you as to what you're doing in their environment, and probably use that to sell ads to you. If you've watched Ready Player One and this amazing world that the evil villain is trying to create with this like all these ad platforms, you probably know what I'm talking about. That's all I wanted to cover in the video, but if you feel Roblox has an advantage and I missed a reason for why, please leave a comment. And if you feel Facebook has an advantage, I would love to hear from you. Why do you feel Facebook or Meta has an advantage of being the next Metaverse? Leave it in the comment below. But if you like videos like this, I talk about future tech as well as cybersecurity on my YouTube channel and wherever you're watching this. So feel free to follow, subscribe, and connect. And I would love to talk to you in the next video. Peace.